everything wears.
Hi guys, this is Keith right here from everythingwares.com. This time I'm going to teach you about the basic point of sale on how we're going to create a simple basic point of sale in Microsoft Excel. Now, to give you an idea what a basic point of sale is or a point of sale is, it's like a cashier system that is used in groceries and fast food stores and any shop that deals with uh, customers buying products, something like that. Okay, so for example, this is a hiking gear store. Now, on the hiking gear store, we have a couple of items in here. So let's say these are the items and these are the prices for those items. Now, what we will be needing right now is the item description for a particular heading, the item price. We will also be needing the quantity on how many items a particular customer is going to purchase, then the total amount, then the cash standard, as well as the change for the customer. This time we're going to create a formula on two of these columns, which is the total amount and the change. Now, to acquire the total amount for a particular item, all we need to know is what is the specific formula for it. Now, always remember in starting Microsoft or in creating a formula, always start with an equal sign. Now, the formula for getting the total amount for a particular item is the item price multiplied by the number of items being uh, bought. So it's like that. So the item price, I'm just going to click on the cell for that particular item price, which is B4, then multiply it by the cell value of the quantity, which is C4. So whatever the quantity that we're going to input later on, automatically it will be multiplied by the item price. So I'm going to press my enter key on my keyboard. So as you can see in here, you're not seeing anything yet because I haven't, what do you call this? I haven't placed any quantity or there's nothing being bought yet from this particular item that we have in here. So I'm just going to change the format for this one. Instead of accounting, I'm going to change this one to currency. There you go. I'm using Philippine peso in here. So you can change that one to use dollars. It's up to you guys, whatever you like. Now, if you don't want to copy and paste all the formatting as well as the formula downwards, you can just click on this area and drag it downwards. There you go. Or you can just simply hover your mouse over here, then double click. That's it. Now for the quantity, if ever you are going to place a value in here, let's say 3, automatically the item price will be multiplied by the quantity and the total amount will be this one. Same thing with the banana bed. If ever I'm going to purchase 2, this is going to be the output. If ever I'm going to purchase 6 for this, then that would be the output. Okay, so I'm going to purchase more and more stuff in here, just an example, and this will be the total amount. Now, if you want to know the sum of everything that you have purchased, all you need to do is just to click on or type on the equal sign, then type sum or SUM, then open parentheses, then highlight all the values from the very top, which is the camping tent, up to the last part, which is the camping utility knife. Then close in parentheses, then press enter. Then this is the total amount that you're going to pay. Okay, did you get it? Now, for the cash standard, you can place it individually in here or you can just place it right away in here since you already know the price. Let's say the person is going to pay 9,000 pesos. 9,000 pesos. There you go. So as you can see in here, it is not in a specific format, which is the currency format. So all we need to do is just to copy the formatting from here and paste it in here. So to do that, first you're going to click on this part, click on Format Painter, then tap it in here. There you go. So you're able to copy the format which is on the total amount going to the cash standard. Now, how are we going to multiply compute for the change? Now to compute for the change, all we need to do is just to type on the equal sign, then the cash standard subtracted to this one, which is the total amount, or the total amount is subtracted to cash standard or whatever. As long as you know that the cash standard should be bigger than the total amount, otherwise it will be negative. Then press your enter key on your keyboard. There you go. So you will have a change of 515 pesos. So that's it. That's how you're going to create a basic point of sale in Microsoft Excel. Now, if you want to change the name of the sheet, let's say I'm going to change this one to basic sales. There you go. So this is our first exercise for the sales part of Microsoft Excel. Later on, I'm going to show you on the next tutorial about how you're going to insert a basic inventory system on the basic point of sale. So that's it for now. This is Keith again from everythingwares.com. Subscribe for more. Thank you.
Everything wears.